Everyone, today I make a basic logical bot in uipath tool. Suppose we have one string word sentence like computer system, and first we have to replace ys to sy. So firstly we have go to uipath id and we have take one sequence, and after we have to set as a start node, and after that we have to go assign, and here we have to take variable control k v data, and here we have to put computer system, right? Now we have to take message box, and here variable dot replace ys comma sy, right? So just now we check. Yeah, we have to get ss, we have to replace ys to sy. Now we have to get next, we have to count length of first word. So for that we have to variable dot split space c 0 dot count, control plus s save, and after we have to use run. So now we have to get output computer, computer it word. Okay, after we have to count all the word here. Computer is one word and system is one word, so now we have to count all word. For that we have to use variable dot split. After we have to take c dot count. Here we have to get output value is 2. So let me check. Yeah, we have to take, we have to get 2. Okay, now we have to count space. Here computer and one space is their system. So let me do for a space variable dot split dot count -1, right? Now we get 1. Let me check. Yeah, we get 1. If we are doing more space like 1 2, now we have to get 3 space. We have to get 3 space. Okay, okay. Now we have to check how to uh, write computer system in uppercase. So first we have to take variable dot to upper. For that we have to get every character in uppercase. Uppercase. For lower you have to use to lower, and now we have to do string capital. For that we have to str dot conv con variable vdata comma vb str conv dot proper case. Okay, so now we have to get computer system. Now we have to count last five words. For that we have to use dot substring vdata dot length minus 5. Minus 5. Here we get only 5 from the last. Count last 5 words. So here we have to get ystem. After we have to use removing a space. For that we have to go variable dot replace string dot empty. So here we replace a space. Now we didn't get any space. Okay, thank you.